Hello, everyone. This is Sam Brandt with the FET Realty team. We're going to go over the numbers of August here, 2024. And so last month we had 51 new listings, 105 for sale, 42 went pending, 35 days is the average on market. Absorption rate, 2.3 months. That means if no new houses came on the market, all the inventory would be ate up in just over 2 months. So jumping into new listings here. We had 51 new listings in the month of August, which is pretty on track for the last 3 years, kind of hovering around that mid 50s range into the 60s in 2021. Active listings just popped up a little bit. Colin's going to go into more of those numbers here later. An interesting stat that we pulled this morning is over 50% of the market right now is over 400,000 for single family homes in Ames. I thought that was interesting stat just to say that that higher price range market stuff's sitting a little longer, new construction, maybe not as many buyers up in that 400 plus. And there's 53 new listings right now under 400, and about half of those have been on the market for over 30 days, which goes to show maybe some of those properties need a little bit of work. Could be priced a little high. A couple things could go into it. So if you're in probably some of those lower price ranges, obviously pricing it right and making sure that it's updated are going to be some keys to making sure your house sells in a timely manner. I'm going to hand it over to Colin here, and he's going to go into a little more about what we're seeing on the market.
All right, cool. Thanks, Sam. I'm going to run through pendings and sold. So like Sam was saying, second time we've seen over 100 on the market since COVID, when we were normal market was in the 100 plus. So I think no matter what, the trend we'll see over the rest of this year, the next couple of years, is continuing to add inventory to the market. We saw 42 go pending. We saw 51 come on the market. So there was 9 that didn't go pending, that most likely expired, canceled, whatever. People changed their minds, which I think happens in the summer. So we probably saw a little more than that. Again, this is pretty on par, it looks like. I mean, we're year over year, August, the amount of houses that go off the market, offer accepted, is pretty in line. Now, when we jump to sold, so this means properties that went on the market or went under contract probably in June and July, and they actually closed, that number dips down. It's the lowest it's ever been, ever. Since this sheet starts 2017. So that's maybe a lagging indicator. There was a few less sales here. Maybe some fell out of contract. So definitely a slowing of the market as far as the number of actual properties that closed. What we're expected, I mean, it usually dips off quite a bit, 36, 40s, years past, that'll close, which again, our properties going under contract in August and July. So what's that mean? I think the market's definitely more normal, working with sellers, negotiating inspections. It's definitely more of a thing now. There in 22, 21, it was, multiple offers and stuff. So advice as far as selling, it sounds like interest rates might tick down. So there might be an opportunity. Usually September, October, there's a little bit of a bump in buyer activity. So if you're thinking about doing something in 2024, it's best to do something these 2 months opposed to these 2 months. Would be my final note. So, but yeah, like Sam said, it's definitely a striated market. We're seeing more activity in under 400 and less activity over 400. And as always, if you got real estate questions, looking to buy, sell, invest, call up the FET team. Thanks.